Hello traders and welcome to this Quality FX Trading weekly forecast, and this time I'm gonna focus on crude oil and we'll go through the setup which is going to happen for this week, and I will highlight the important point of interest that may reach by this week. So on the left side here you can see the weekly chart, and we are bearish and we continue to be bearish, but here you can see our target is going to be this bullish order block which was created in December 2021, so at 72.31. So this is going to be our ultimate target for crude oil in the coming weeks and soon in October, because now we have started the new quarter, and usually based on the smart money concept, we will face some quarterly shift in the market structure. So you can see in the weekly this was the high which was created in June 2022, like 3 months ago. So for the rest of October, I expect price to go to the downside to reach to 72.30 level, and then after that, for the rest of the year, I'm expecting some bullish price action to the upside to take the liquidity above these highs here, and in the some special conditions, even we can expect price to reach back up to this high and take the liquidity above this high, according to the structure shift that we may face in this new quarter. On the right side daily chart, I'm highlighting two levels, as these are the bearish order block. And why I'm looking to these bearish order blocks? Because overall our bias in the weekly is to sell, to reach, to deliver the price to 72.31. So any pullback and retracement to the upside and retesting these order blocks can be a good opportunity to sell again and to enter into bearish market. So here for this week, I'm expecting the price to push to the upside first, and taking the last week's high and reaching to 83 level first, and I want to see the reaction at 83. If it is going to give us the sell setup, then we can see the last week's low 76.30 is going to be broken, and ultimate target is going to be 72.30, as I mentioned in the weekly analysis, which may happen by this week or next week. Another target to the upside is going to be as at the next bearish order block here at 87.70 level, and if price wants to go up this week and above these highs, you can see, so there are plenty of weeks here as buying side liquidity which can be taken before price to push to the downside again. So this is going to be another scenario. So if we don't see the sell reaction at this level, at this bearish order block, then price can go above 87 level, and from there we may see the reaction to sell, because ultimately we want the price to be delivered to our weekly that bullish order block at 872.30. So let's have a deeper look into crude oil. On the left side, you can see 4-hour chart, and as you can see, this blue line at 83 level is the last week's high, which I'm aiming for the beginning of the week, and that is going to be perfect for our sell setup for the rest of the week. So remember 83 level as our first point of interest, which I'm interested to see the reaction to this level. So for the price to go to 83, it is possible that we may get some bearishness here to go down until 78 at this 4-hour bullish order block to close the range at 4-hour chart, and then price to push to the upside. But that is not going to be 100% scenario, as we may get push up and institutional sponsorship to the upside to reach to 83 level first to show their reaction. So remember 83 level and watch the reaction, and if you can get the setup in the lower time frame like 15-minute or even 5-minute chart, and then you can go for the sell to sell into last week's low, like at 76 level. And this is on the right side, you can see the 1-hour chart, and this was the scenario I have explained last week. For those who didn't watch that video, you can click above and see the on the Friday setup, which I explained here how the price pushed down and it's broken this low as a target profit. So on the 1 hour, I can see that price is correcting to the downside, and for the beginning of the week, I'm expecting the price to push to the upside, and then we have to see the reaction at 83 level for the rest of the week. If it's not showing any reaction, then we may get another bullish price action to go above this high, which again some buy side liquidity is resting here, and also that bearish order block in the daily chart. So thank you for watching us, and please don't forget to leave the comments so we know that you are following our videos, and this is going to motivate us to bring more educational content for you.